Hey, it's Rob from Elastoproxy here, and did you know that we can package your parts in order of assembly? Here's what you need to know. Elastoproxy offers kitting and assembly packaging services so that you can increase efficiency, cut costs, minimize risks, and reduce waste. Let's take a look at what kitting and assembly packaging are about. They're related processes and definitely complementary. Kitting groups related products together to create a new SKU. This reduces the number of SKUs you need to keep track, and it reduces the number of skid spots in your warehouse. Assembly packaging arranges kitted parts in order of installation. When you open the box, the part you need to install first is on top, the part you need to install next is right below it, and so on and so on. The benefits are all about saving time and money. They start with reduced overhead and faster assembly, but they don't end there. For example, installation errors are less likely since the worker just needs to reach inside the box and grab the next part. There's no more guesswork. You can also save time and money by reducing risk and eliminating errors in purchasing, receiving, warehousing, and picking. By combining related parts into boxes, there is less packaging waste too. Would you like to learn more about packaging your parts in order of assembly? Ask Elastoproxy.